How to fix Steam no internet connection error on mobile device. First of all, hold on to the app for some time, tap on the eye icon, it will lead you to setting. Now scroll down a bit and tap on storage. Here you'll find two buttons at the top button. Tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now head back. Sometimes a simple restart can clear out temporary bugs causing the connection block. So what we'll do is tap on the force stop icon at the bottom, tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now try restarting the app and your problems will be fixed. However, sometimes your mobile IP address gets temporarily blocked or lags out. So what you can do is go to the navigation bar. Now turn on airplane mode. Now wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off to reestablish a fresh connection. Now try connecting to the Wi-Fi back and ensure that you have a strong internet connection, and after that try reopening the app and your problems will be fixed. Thank you for watching this video, guys.